My name is Chris and I am the Algo Man here on TikTok. Thank you for joining today's live stream for September 24th, 2025. And today's recap is all about power and precision. We're going to be showcasing the perfect combo. That's PredictMO on the 15-minute chart to map the trend. PredictMO. Okay, we haven't seen that before for early onset signal. And on the 2-minute chart, we're going to execute with sniper level timing. Now, I have a question for you guys, and this is a good and important question, all right? So if PredictMO, think of this, just take a moment and think of this, okay, guys? PredictMO, which is this tool right here, okay? If it's detecting the momentum shift on the higher time frame, and PredictMO is alerting you to the early onset of that move, wouldn't it make perfect sense to confirm and fire the trade on the trend chart? I mean, just give that some thought for a moment so you guys could really, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by that right now, okay? But that's exactly what we did in today's session, okay? The 15-minute gave us structure. PredictMO nailed the first shift. Actually, it was PredictMO that nailed the first shift, and then PredictMO confirmed the direction. That's how it's going to go. And the 2-minute gave us the perfect window to strike. Okay, so we're not here to scalp noise. We're not here to fade fake outs. We're here hunting trades with legs, trades that actually run. So if you've ever struggled to tell when a trend is starting, or if you're tired of guessing which moves are real, then today's recap is going to show you the exact process to fix that. Okay, so without any further delay, guys, we're going to go ahead and run it first on the 15, then we're going to switch it over to execute our trades on the 2-minute time frame, right? So here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and do this. First bar of the day on the 15-minute time frame. We don't do anything. We just let it roll, okay? And I hope you guys really had a good day in the market. It was actually a really good day in the market to be trading. Very good movements in the market, both on the cyclic side and on the trend side. And we're just going to let this bad boy run. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to let it run here on the 15-minute first before we actually get any indication as to where we're going to go on the 2-minute time frame. Now, if you notice here, PredictMO is already telling you that price is about to fall right there. Okay, so you got this. I think it was at the second bar right here. It's telling you that price is coming down. Okay, you've got the price line, which is representative of this green line right here, really close to the zero line right there. All right, so let's just see how this all plays out, and then we're going to confirm any entries that we take on the 2-minute time frame. So now we just had a crossing right here below the zero line. So this is really telling us that price is gonna be coming down on the 15-minute time frame. So this already called it in advance of anything happening here with PredictMO. What we're aiming for is we're trying to aim to see where PredictMO is about to really take off. So here we go, guys. Notice what's happening right here, how momentum is coming down. So if we stop it right there, okay, let's just stop it right there for a second, okay? Here we go. We had a shift in momentum to the downside. This is the 11:15 bar. Now we're at the 11:30 bar, okay? This is the shift that I'm looking for right here. The leading function of momentum just turn over right there and cross below momentum, which is the yellow line right there. You already have PredictMO telling you right here that price is coming down. So the next best thing to do, guys, is to confirm the move on your 2-minute time frame, okay? And this is your 2-minute time frame right here. This is exactly where you want to see whether this move is about to shake out or what's going to happen, because over here, hang on, let me just get this out of the way right here, okay? You already have a shift that momentum is about to fall. You already have a shift here telling you that price is gonna fall. So if you turn over to your 2-minute time frame, what do we see right here? Is this any confirmation whatsoever that price is going down? And at first glance, the answer is redundantly no. Okay, You got to give it maybe a little bit of time because the 15-minute is going to warn you ahead of time, ahead of the actual move that happens. So you don't have any indication here that price is going down. Am I going to be dumb and start taking trades to the upside? No, because structure on the 15-minute is telling us that price is going down. And if price is going down on the 15-minute, right here, guys, here you go. You just had the shift right here in momentum that you were looking for. You had cycle below zero. You had momentum hit zero right there. You had a nice shift in momentum right there. And you had a nice shift in scalp mode right there. So maybe about 2 minutes ago when I looked at this, there wasn't anything here. A couple minutes ago right there. I hit play. I let it run. Okay. And now I got to reduce this to about, I'd say 4 times the speed of the market. Otherwise it goes too fast. That's why it jumped all the way over here. Okay. But all of a sudden now you do have the shift. You do have cycle going down. You have momentum going down. You have both shifts right there. That is the early onset of a trend right there. So if you take
order filled
to the downside, that's where you want to take the trade. You had it confirmed first on the 15-minute. Then all of a sudden you saw it play out right here. So let's see how this trade rolls. And we're just going to let this thing roll until we get our signal with PredictMO that this is the end of the move. All right, hang on a second. I might have to bump that up to about 6 times the speed of the market. Otherwise, it'll be here all afternoon. Let me go 8 times the speed of the market. Maybe that's the right setting for this. Alrighty, there we go. That's a little bit better, I think. Yep, that's a little bit better right there. Alrighty, and there we go, guys. Okay, you've got PredictMO sunk all the way down here, and it's continuing to go. And again, we first spotted this trade on the 15-minute time frame. We came here to confirm. It wasn't exactly confirmed. We had to wait a couple bars for it to confirm, but once it confirmed, it was confirmed. It was a confirmed trend to the downside. So the whole gist of using PredictMO on the 15-minute chart, guys, is to really confirm where momentum is about to potentially shift. Then you can come over here and see it on the 2-minute time frame. And another thing as well is if you're only looking for trades that actually have legs that move, look at how many trades we avoided since the open of the market. We avoided a lot of this noise just simply by looking at the fit. And a lot of this was noise, guys, right here. A lot of this is not tradable. Like all this stuff right here, none of this is tradable. This is just nothing but noise. You avoided a lot of that by simply looking at the 15-minute time frame, then executing your trade when price was about to take off right here in the 2-minute. And that's the exact process I followed. It does. It will give you a little bit more time to confirm it on the 2-minute before the 2-minute actually takes off. Because there's about 7.5, almost 8 bars in 2-minute bars for every one 15-minute candle. So there's a lot of movement in each side, in each one of those 15-minute candles. So here we go, guys. What do we do once the market goes into a trend? Now, you don't have to sit here and second guess whether this is a trend or not because the dynamic VWAP changes color. It went from orange to red. It's telling you that the market is trending. It also prints it right here. It's telling you that the market is trending. Well, the first thing you do is you start counting your cycles, okay? This is where you have the official confirmation that the trend began right there, okay? Which was, I think, at this bar right there, all right? So what do? You count your cycles. This is cycle number 1, and this is the beginning of cycle number 2 right here. So if this is cycle 1, you know that this is cycle 2, right? So let's go ahead and watch the cycle rotation. This is about to end the moment it crosses above 0, and the moment this purple line actually crosses above 0, your trade is going to be over as well. It's right flush with the line, so it's not yet across. And there you go, guys. You just had the crossing right there, and that's exactly
order filled
where you pull the trigger to end the trade. Right there. Bingo. Okay? It's that easy to do. Okay? And you just had the crossing with cycle number 2 right there. Normally, in every trend, you normally have 2 cycles, okay? Cycle 1, cycle 2. In some cases, in about 35% of the cases, you might get a 3rd cycle. But today we didn't. Today we just got 2 cycles right here, really nicely pronounced cycles, and we had a nice trend shift to the downside, and that was it, guys. Okay, that was it for the move. There was nothing else left, okay? And if you wanted to take the reversal trade to the upside, you absolutely can do that. And if you wanted to capture that in real close-up micro refine, you could use a 1 minute chart to really capture this move to the upside as well. You can equally do it here too. And what's going on our 15-minute time frame? Well, you know, momentum sunk. Look at this right here. And over here, you had a complete collapse of PredictMO all the way at the bottom. Whenever it hits the bottom right there, that is it. That is the end of that move. There's nothing else left. And that's just going to slinky back right there. Well, guess what happened? Your 2 minute caught it perfectly right there. And that was it. And that was the reversal trade right there, guys. Okay. And this trade went from 776 all the way to 651. It was way over 100 points. I mean, those are the type of trades that I absolutely love taking myself. Okay. So just kind of move this a little bit to the side so you can see. There you go, guys, right there. Okay?
Wow, did you see that? That's what you call precision.
And that's what real algorithmic trading looks like right there, guys, okay? Now, here's the one thing I'll tell you guys, okay? For you guys who are using these tools, load up your 15-minute chart. I'm going to be posting the chart up on the Discord so you guys can see the exact settings that I use, and you guys can copy the chart, turn on PredictMO, turn on PredictMO, and identify. Here's your goal. You want to identify the moment the trend began shifting. That is the goal. Okay, then drop down to your 2 minute chart, confirm, enter, and trail the trade all the way through. Mark your cycles, cycle 1, cycle 2, mark where the shift happened right here, okay, just the way I have it here with the arrows, okay, and mark where you would have gotten out of the trade once you have the tilt outside of 0.80 down at the bottom, okay? And you can share your screenshots with me privately through Telegram and show me you understand the process, guys. This is really to refine your process and help you get it right. Because let me tell you, I come on here every afternoon at 5:30, Monday to Thursday, and we go over these charts all the time in fine detail. But it's all in an effort to prepare you for what's coming tomorrow. Because tomorrow the market might repeat itself, or you might get this a couple of days from now again. And then you're going to remember, man, I took that trade. I remember Chris showed in the afternoon exactly how he nailed that trade to the downside. And you can follow the same process because you get these setups all the time, guys. They happen continuously in the market. What I showed you today is just a different way to avoid a lot of the chop on the 2 minute or 1 minute and only focus on trades that have legs that are about to run when you actually get that nice momentum shift on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Now, for everyone else, let's cut the fluff, guys. You've been sitting on the sidelines. If you're still using the same old indicators that blow up every time volatility hits, and if you're wondering why your trades keep failing right as the market takes off, here's the truth. You don't have a process. You don't even have a system. And you don't have the tools that real traders are using to get funded and stay funded. And it starts today. You can take the 7-day free trial simply by hitting the link in my bio and load PredictMO, PredictMO, follow the playbook that I just laid out right here, and see the difference in your trading, guys. This is the same process top traders are using inside our Discord, and the same process we use every single day. There are no more excuses. It's already mid-September. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and take the 7-day free trial, guys, and you guys can hit me up on the Discord or on the private chat on Telegram, and we can get you dialed in. So in the meantime, I'll go ahead and stop it there because really this is the best trade we're talking about to illustrate a sound process that you can follow and implement tomorrow.